I want you this time to jump assemblée with chasse. So your direction to the corner. No, first time direction in diagonal, but you go to that twistation, approximately there, and next to diagonal, you will go to the corner. So you like take zigzag, shallow diagonal and sharp diagonal takes you. So pay attention. Beginning by hop, you will do chasse to the front, small arms, preparation 3 and 4. To the front, hop. To the back, hop. To the front, chasse, assemblée, stop. And now 1, and now 2, and now 3, stop, back. 1, assemblée, 2, 3, open arm, and other side to the corner. Chasse, did you see me? I move 2 shoulder forward. Now to the back, still 2 shoulder, not 1 shoulder. But head follows your arm. And hop, same. 1 chasse, brush, assemblée forward. And by épaulement 3 times one way. And back other way. Your arm opens to the second position. Watch. Through first, moves to the second, join. To the second, join. Brush, join to the preparatory position. And then regular 3 times forward, 3 times backwards. Now, let me see. Let's start 2 groups. Groups of 2 and group of 3. Prepare. Allongé, plié, go. Hop. Right arm, left arm. What are you doing? And 1, 2, 3, stop. Back. 1 plié, go. Go back. Stop. Other side.